Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today I'm going to be creating this easy everyday look for work and school. I know that school will soon be in session or is even in session for some people. So I decided to create this look that you can throw on when you're going to school, you're going to work, just an everyday makeup tutorial that's not too serious and too extra. So if you like this look you see, then be sure to keep on watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and also click the notification bell down below so you can get a notification every time I upload. And let's get into the video. So for today's look, I'm going to start off with my face, and I'm going to be applying my moisturizer. I'm just going to take a pinch and apply all over my face. I know I don't always add this step to my videos, but it's very important to actually moisturize your face before doing your makeup. Even if you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, it is very important that you moisturize your face, because if your skin is dry, oh my god, it's going to make your makeup flaky, your foundation is going to be flaky, and it's just going to separate, and it is just not a good look. So I like applying my foundation first and my base first, because for me it's faster. And if we're rushing off to school, to classes and all that, to work, you want to be fast about your makeups. So now I'm going to go into my trusty old argan oil. You guys know I live for this. I'm going to take some drops all over my face. I'm just gonna rub it in. I just applied my usual Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. Now I'm going to use my beauty sponge. Oh my god, I forgot to wet it. Don't you just hate when you're all ready for your makeup, you're ready to beat that face, your music is playing, your makeup is set, and you find out that you didn't wet your beauty sponge? Like, that is the struggle is real. So I'm gonna wet my beauty sponge now. If you want your foundation to be full coverage, using a beauty blender is not going to help you out. If the foundation is not full coverage, you can achieve maximum coverage when you use a brush like this kind of stippling brush. This is perfect for that full coverage look, but for this makeup tutorial we're trying to do something simple and easy to do. Now that is done, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer underneath my eyes. You know, when you're in school, you're always up all night reading and stressed out and all, so you need a good concealer to cover those eye bags. So I love this LA Girl Pro concealer. It is affordable and it does the job. Today we are not baking, we're doing a very simple makeup tutorial, so ain't nobody got time for that, ain't nobody. So I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna set it under my eye. This is a light beat, we're not trying to be extra today, so that's why we're not gonna bake. I'm trying to just be easy peasy beautiful. I'm gonna contour my face. We're not trying to do anything too dramatic, so we're just gonna bronze it up and just blend it. Now we want to give the face a youthful look, so we're gonna be adding blush. I'm gonna use a rosy pink blush because who doesn't love that? Always does some excess fallout, so you don't add too much at a time. You want to layer it on, so you want to look like a clown girl. Wow, I love this look. Okay, I just said something about being a clown, and now I'm looking like a clown. Am I saying well? I look okay. I look okay. So now that is done, I'm gonna use my setting spray and I'm gonna set my face, because if you're going to classes, your classes can last the whole day and you don't want your makeup breaking down. Like, nobody wants that. So I'm just gonna add my setting spray and just set my entire, nothing is coming out. I'll shake it, set my face, nothing is coming out. This isn't locked well. Set my face. What the hell? Oh, shit. Okay, I guess the stopper is bad. So we're gonna move on from that. Well, you should set your face though. It is really nice to set your face because I'm not really going anywhere for long today, so we're gonna skip that step and go get a new setting spray. I'm going to be highlighting my face. You want to give your face that glow, or it depends on you. What is your preference? So because we're doing an easy everyday makeup tutorial, I'm not gonna pack on the glow, but if you want to do that, do you. If you want a more intense glow, like you want to blind the haters, you're gonna want to use brushes like this, dense brushes like this. They are gonna pack on the highlighter for you. This type of brushes are the best for an intense glow, but if you want something like a wash of glow, this fan brush will do. You can also keep on building it up if you want an intense glow with this, but with this type of brush you get boom, like instant glow. So today we want a wash of glow, so we're gonna be using this fan brush. It looks so good, like, oh my god. So you see, this is a very nice amount of glow. It's not too much, it is just like, okay, like she's glowing, but not too much. So now I'm gonna do my brows off camera. You guys have seen me do my brows 1,000 times and I don't think you want to see that again. We're not trying to make the video 1 hour, you know, we're trying to shorten it. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be right back. So these are the brows. I didn't want to do something too sculpted. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my best work, but it is okay. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm not trying to do something too dramatic. I just want to do something simple, easy, straight to the point, no hassle, no stress, like that. I'm going to go into this neutral shade and I'm going to apply that on my crease. So of course you can leave the eyes like this, but I just want to add a deeper color to give the look more depth. I don't want it to just be like this, but you can surely leave it like this. So I'm going to add this shade and I'm going to just put it the deepest part of my eyes. Next up, I'm going to go into this shade and I'm just going to apply that with a flat brush like this on my eyes. I do not want to cut it. I'm not trying to do all of that stuff. We're just trying to make the eyes look a little bit more bright, you know, look beautiful and young and happy. We're trying to look happy. Used a brown lip liner to line my lips, and now I'm going to go into this Huda Beauty lipstick. And this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to watch my other videos if you want to see more of me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.